Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs and digital marketers. Welcome back to our channel where we talk about the latest trends in the exciting world of affiliate marketing. I'm Habad from Addy and Mark, and in today's video, we'll look at some of the affiliate marketing trends that are literally transforming the industry. Are you ready? Let's dive right in. Investing in first-party data. Now, investing in first-party data, it enables the marketer to personalize communications, build brand loyalty, and to always adapt to the changing market conditions. Now, this allows businesses to have a better understanding of their customers' behavior and tailor their marketing messages to their preferences. It also opens up new avenues for reaching out to customers with appropriate offers and improving sales. Now, access to reliable and up-to-date first-party data, it helps with affiliate marketing campaign optimization. AI-driven affiliate marketing. Now, artificial intelligence, it is revolutionizing the affiliate marketing landscape. AI algorithms, they can now analyze customer behavior, predict trends, and provide personalized suggestions, enhancing both the user experience and the conversion rates as well. The impact of voice search. Now, the rise of voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, it has opened up a lot of opportunities for affiliate marketers. With voice commerce, consumers can now use voice commands to make purchases, giving marketers a chance to optimize their strategies for voice search. Influencer marketing. Now, it's no secret that influencer marketing has been booming in recent years, but in 2023, things are going beyond just celebrities and social media stars. Micro-influencers and nano-influencers are on the rise, offering more authentic connections and higher engagement rates for affiliate marketers. Enhanced tracking and analytics. Gone are the days of relying solely on cookies. With stricter privacy policies, marketers are now adopting advanced tracking technologies and analytics tools to collect and analyze data without compromising any user privacy. Shoppable videos. Video content is more popular than ever right now, and now you can make your videos directly shoppable. With the rise of interactive technologies, viewers can simply click buy and enjoy the product or service that they see in the videos. We've just highlighted a few affiliate marketing trends in this video, but if you want to learn more about other trends, click the link in the description box below to access our full written article about affiliate marketing. That's it for today's video, but make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you're always notified whenever we post a new video. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a like and share with all of your entrepreneur friends. As always, thanks for tuning in and being a part of our vibrant community. Stay motivated, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy affiliate marketing.